In today's lesson, we are going to be doing an investigation looking at a painted cube. So here we have a picture of what our painted cubes are going to look like. They have varying side lengths, but there is a pattern between the side lengths and the colors that we see. And our goal is to try to identify what the pattern is and what type of relationship it is. So we see the different side lengths. So a side length 2, side lengths 3, 4, and 5. Right, so our goal is to look at those side lengths and identify the relationship between them and the number of cubes that make up our figure. And we're going to be focusing on the specific colors. Now, the colors are consistent in where they're located in each shape. So the corners are always going to be green. The edge cubes are going to be pink. There are hidden cubes on the inside, so any cubes on the inside are going to be yellow, and all other cubes are red. So we can clearly see the green, the pink, and the red. The yellow ones on the inside are the ones that we're not quite going to see, but they are there. And what we're going to do, or what you're going to do on your own or in with a partner or someone else, is you're going to complete the following tables using that picture or using the manipulatives. I will show you a virtual one as well to try to answer the questions. So again, we're filling out the table. We are going to have to find the first differences and second differences. I want to figure out what type of relationship is illustrated. So here we're looking specifically at the green cubes. Based on that relationship, can we figure out how many green cubes there will be when the side length is 23? And then from there, can we come up with a formula between the given side length and the number of cubes painted green? And again, we're going to be repeating this for the pink cubes, the red cubes, and the yellow cubes. So it's all going to be the same thing, just looking at the different cubes. I'm going to go back up, look at our pictures. So again, we can see our pictures. There are also virtual manipulatives if you wish. So again, we can see side length 2, we have our green one here. Again, you could rotate it if you want. But again, you have an idea. Same with side length 3. There's also the yellow cube behind it, which shows us that there is one yellow cube. There is one yellow cube in the middle here. So on the inside of this whole cube, there is one yellow cube. Same thing for side length 4. We see that there is a yellow cube, or this is the yellow cube that exists inside. And same thing for side length 5. This cube exists on the inside behind all the other ones. So again, just an easier way, hopefully, to see the hidden cubes, as well as to see the cubes in a different light. It gives us maybe a different perspective, so to speak. So again, you're going to be going through completing those tables, trying to find the relationship, maybe try to identify an equation or the type of relationship. And again, to check your work, there will be the posted solutions in D2L or in the online course. So you can always check that as well, but I do recommend that you do try to work through and solve this before you check your answers, because you will have to do something similar in future evaluations. But again, use the picture, use the virtual manipulatives if you need to try to come up with the relationships and the equations.